Hello students, welcome to Careers 360. The Indian Institute of Technology IIT Madras has declared the IIT JAM 2024 result in online mode. Candidates can download the JAM examination result by visiting the official website at jam.iitm.ac.in. For downloading the JAM result 2024, applicants have to use their login credentials such as their enrollment ID or email ID along with the password. Watch the complete video on how to check IIT JAM Result 2024. Steps to download the IIT JAM result. Visit the official website of IIT JAM, jam.iitm.ac.in. On the home page, click on Candidates can view the final marks on JOAPS portal. A login window will appear on the screen. Enter your email ID, enrollment ID, mobile number or registration number and password. Evaluate the arithmetic expression given and put the value in the space provided. Click on the Submit button. The IIT JAM 2024 result will be displayed on the screen. Candidates can download the JAM result for future reference. Subscribe to Careers 360 to watch more content related to universities and exams.